Martin's boss has ambitious production targets, so his machine has to run smoothly. Therefore, he established a preventive maintenance agreement with SYNTEGON. The professional maintenance by the SYNTEGON service technicians reduces downtime periods to an absolute minimum. The SYNTEGON Preventive Maintenance Agreement defines the scheduled intervals, scopes and dates of the maintenance work, which is, for instance, carried out during summer shutdown. In addition, the work is executed at predefined costs. With maintenance checklists and detailed documentation, Martin can easily track when the last service visit took place and the work that was performed. The SYNTEGON Preventive Maintenance Agreement allows Martin's boss to plan ahead and reduce unexpected downtime. He can fulfill his ambitious production targets without any problems. Martin knows that he can fully rely on the SYNTEGON Technology customer service team.